Hello, and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today, I bring you the SE Sport 5-pack clear show rack display holder mount stand for mobile cell phone iPhone display stands. Let's take a look at it. So the reason why, again, I'm doing an unboxing video on something like this is because these are very cheap Amazon products that I find to be very, very misleading. This was a 5-pack that is, again, currently available on Amazon for only $9.99. The reason why I say it's misleading is because this thing is tiny. It's quite small. And in the picture, it does, first off, it doesn't even mention any dimensions. It doesn't make note of any dimensions. And then second off, I know it features a very old smartphone, but you can see that none of the pictures that are featured on it show a very clear sideways profile of it. What do I mean by that? Is that if you were to actually picture it on the sideways profile, you would see that the slope on it is very, very gentle. So your phone actually almost lies down on it like this when it's actually displayed on it. Let me show you what I mean. A gentle slope, and the phone almost feels like it's lying down. You guys can appreciate it from this point of view. It is. I thought it was going to be, honestly, I was expecting for something like this. Very near vertical as to display, modern smartphones adequately, and it's just on the smaller side, as you can tell. It barely accommodates my iPhone. If it were any smaller, I think my iPhone would be in danger of falling off. And this is just a normal iPhone 11. This is not a Plus or a Pro Max version of anything. And something that a lot of people were complaining about on the website is that they were saying that the website is misleading because the thing is opaque and not clear. And I am pretty sure that this thing just has a plastic covering on it, that the moment you take it off, it's actually going to go ahead and display a very nice and clear acrylic display. They typically put these on to prevent scratching during shipment, as there's a whole lot of jostling and shaking going on when it travels from its manufacturer or from its supplier all the way to its original intended purchaser or user or end user. So as you can see here, we're just peeling that plastic, as you can see here, we're just peeling that plastic protective film that comes included with it, again, just to prevent a lot of scratching and, during shipment. They are a little bit annoying to take off, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, but once they are off, it's gonna reveal a very beautiful and clear product. So after struggling with this thing for nearly a whole 2 minutes, I can definitely see why people were making the mistake and thinking that this thing was frosted instead of clear acrylic, the way it really is. This thing was impossible to take off. It sucked. I hated it. It took a whole lot of time to take off. And again, once it's finally taken off, you can go ahead and nicely display your phone on it, like so. But again, I really wish the website was a lot more honest, and I really wish it had a few head-on, straight-on pictures so that you can see that the slope on it is quite gentle, and your phone is not going to be standing up as straight as you would like for it to. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on these? Were you thinking of picking some of these up, or were you on the fence of picking some of these up? How about now, after watching this video and seeing how actually small and how gentle that slope is on them? You don't want to miss out on our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We're going to be giving out another Alcatel Droid Tattoo tablet, just like we did when we reached 750 subscribers. Make sure you don't miss out on our Jingle Bells parody, budget phones. Click up here to watch it. I promise you will laugh. And as always, thanks for watching.